Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Seema Gupta and today I will describe you assignment problems. What are the assignment problems? It is a special case of transportation problem. It occurs when M jobs are to be assigned to N facilities on a one-to-one basis with a view to optimizing the resource required. So now we have this problem. In this problem we have 5 swimmers and 5 swimmers are eligible to compete in a relay team which is to consist of 4 swimmers swimming 4 different swimming styles: backstroke, breaststroke, freestyle and butterfly. The time taken for the 5 swimmers Anand, Bhaskar, Chandrudhray and Ishwar to cover a distance of 100 meters in various swimming styles are given in minutes and seconds. Anand swims the backstroke in 1 minute and 9 seconds, the breaststroke in 1 minute and 15 seconds, and has never competed in the freestyle or butterfly. Bhaskar is a freestyle specialist averaging 1 minute 1 second for the 100 meters but can also swim the breaststroke in 1 minute and 16 seconds and butterfly in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Chandru swims all styles, backstroke 1 minute and 10 seconds. Butterfly 1 minute 12 seconds, freestyle 1 minute 5 seconds, and breaststroke 1 minute 20 seconds. Roy swims only the butterfly 1 minute and 11 seconds, while Iswar swims the backstroke 1 minute 20 seconds, the breaststroke 1 minute 16 seconds, the freestyle 1 minute and 6 seconds, and the butterfly 1 minute 10 seconds. We have to calculate which swimmers should be assigned to which swimming style, who will be in the relay. So, this is our matrix style. Here we will write name of swimmers Anand, Bhaskar, Chandru, Roy and Iswar. And here we have styles of swimming: backstroke, breaststroke, freestyle and butterfly. So student, you can see here we have 5 row 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But here we have 4 columns 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what will we do? We will introduce a dummy column. And here we will put the value of 0. So now this is our balanced problem. Now we will calculate the time of swimming, minute and seconds. We will convert all minutes into seconds. We will write here time in seconds. So first of all, we will calculate the time of Anand. Now, here we have time, like Anand swims the backstroke in 1 minute and 9 seconds, means 60 plus 9, 69 seconds. Then, breaststroke in 1 minute and 15 seconds, means 60 plus 15, 75 seconds, and has never competed in the freestyle or butterfly. So, here we will not write any time. Then the second swimmer is Bhaskar. For the Bhaskar, Bhaskar is a freestyle specialist averaging 1 minute and 1 second, means Bhaskar and the column is freestyle. Here we will write 61 seconds. But can also swim the breaststroke in 1 minute and 16 seconds. Here 1 minute and 16 seconds means 60 plus 16, 76 seconds. And butterfly in 1 minute and 20 seconds. So here we will write 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. So here we will write no value. For the third swimmer, Chandru. Chandru swims all styles. Backstroke 1 minute and 10 seconds means 1 minute 10 seconds. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. Then butterfly. 1 minute 12 seconds means 60 plus 12. Here butterfly. 60 plus 12 is equal to 72. Freestyle 1 minute and 5 seconds means 60 plus 5 is equal to 65 seconds. And breaststroke 1 minute 20 seconds means 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. And for the fourth swimmer, butterfly 1 minute 11 seconds. Here fourth swimmer, butterfly. 60 plus 11 is equal to 71. While Ishwar swim the backstroke 1 minute 20 seconds. For the fifth swimmer, 1 minute 20 seconds means 80 seconds. Breaststroke 1 minute 16 seconds means 60 plus 16 is equal to 76 seconds. Freestyle in 1 minute 6 seconds means 66 seconds. And the last style, here we will write 70 seconds. So here we have blank columns. We will write here no value. So this is our matrix. We have calculated all the time. So now we will solve this matrix. Now this is our first step. In the first step we will minimize the row. So student, you can see this row. In this row 0 is the minimum element. So student, you can see in every row here we have 0. So we can't follow this step. Now we will move to our next step, column minimization. We will do here column minimization. So first of all, in the first column we have 69 is the minimum element. So we will minus 69. So 69 minus 69 is equal to 0. Here hyphen. 70 minus 69 is equal to 1. 80 minus 69 is equal to 11. For the next column, 75 is the minimum element. So here 75 minus 75 is equal to 0. 76 minus 75 is equal to 1. 80 minus 75 is equal to 5. 76 minus 75 is equal to 1. For the third column, you can see 61 is the minimum element. So 61 minus 61 is equal to 0. 65 minus 61 is equal to 4. 66 minus 61 is equal to 5. For the fourth column, 70 is the minimum element. So you can see 80 minus 70 is equal to 10. 72 minus 70 is equal to 2. 71 minus 70 is equal to 1, and here we will write 0, and here. So this is our column minimization matrix. So now we will draw here lines to cover all the zeros. So student, you can see we will first of all draw the line here. Now our all 0 in this column are covered. Now we will move to our next row and next columns. So student, you can see in this row we have 2 0. So we can draw the line like this. In this way we covered 2 zeros. Now you can see here in this row we have 1 0, and in this column we have also 1 0. So you can draw the line like this and also like this. So here we will draw the line. Now you can see we have only 1 0. You can draw the line like this and you can draw the line like this. It is at your option. So student, we will draw the line like this. Now you can see we have covered all zeros. We have here 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 lines, but our order of matrix is 5. You can see here 5 row and 5 columns. So we can't say the solution is optimal. Now we have to go to next step. So now we will here select our minimum element in the uncovered elements. You can see 1 is the minimum element. So we will select this one, and now we will deduct the 1 from all uncovered elements like this. 1 minus 1 here is equal to 0. Here we have hyphen. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here we have hyphen. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Here we have hyphen. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And these covered elements will be remain same. So here 0, 0, here in the second row, and in the last row 11, 1, 5 and 0. And for these cells 0 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. And students, for these cells you can see here 2 lines are drawn, one line and second line. This is the intersection point of lines. So we will add 1 to this point. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Here also 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Here also we will write 1 because 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So now we have this matrix. In this matrix we will also draw the lines to cover all zeros. So student, you can see like in this row we have 2 0. So we will draw the line here. Now you can see here we have 2 0. So we can draw the line like this. You can see here we have 2 0. So you can draw the line like this. Now we have here 1 0. Here we have 1 0. So student, you can see here we have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Which is equal to our order of matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 row, 5 columns and 5 lines are drawn. So this is our solution matrix. Now we have to select the cells. First of all, you can see in this row we have 2 0. We can select this 0, we can select this 0. We have to select one from these two cells. Like you can see, here we have no 0 in this column. So we will select this one. Then we will cut this 0. We can't select this now. Then you can see in the first column. In this column we have only 1 0. So we will select this. And we will cut this 0. Now for this third column we have this 0. We will select this cell. Now for the fourth column you can select this 0. Student, you can see here I have selected this 0, not this, because we have to select this one from the fifth column. If I will select this cell, this 0, then we can't select this one. So our solution is this. Now we will write here swimming styles like Anand. For Anand, second style. Breaststroke. For Bhaskar, third style. Freestyle. For Chandru, first style. Backstroke. For the fourth swimmer, last style means nothing. For the last Iswar, we have style of butterfly. Now we will write here time. For Anand and breaststroke 75 seconds. For Bhaskar and freestyle 61 seconds. For Chandru and backstroke 70 seconds. Here nothing. Iswar and butterfly 70 seconds. So here we have total time is 270 seconds. So here our sum completes. So students, if you like this video and if you find it very helpful, then please like it and share it and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification of all my coming videos. Thank you for watching this video.